you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and thank you for being here. So today you can see on the title, yes, I'm gonna do an unbox about the new collaboration Morphe with Ariel. Oh my god, I just have it right now. This is gonna be a review and then I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial about that. Not makeup tutorial, I'm just gonna do my makeup with these brushes for see if it's good, if it's worth it, because you know I'm a huge fan of brushes. For me, brushes is, oh my god, I have to have it, every kind of brushes, but you know I really love it. Morphe brushes, like you can see, I buy it like the Jeffree Star collaboration, the Jaclyn Hill too. The quality is very good and the price as well, but this one, they have a lot of people say it's a lot of money for the quantity they have it like brushes, but we will see because the design is so different than the other one. It's like a little bit more extra. I know, like we have to say if it's good, if it's working. I'm gonna tell you that everything. Don't worry. And with Ariel, for me personal, I'm like, yes, is the makeup artist for Kylie Jenner, and I'm just like, okay, let's see how it's going, because you see I bought it like Mario, it's Sephora. This is another thing, but you see with collaboration, I like when it's collaboration because it's limited edition and I like to have it like for me. By the way, I just tried a new skincare because you see I was with Sisley. I have a lot of Sisley product, but I want to try a new brand and everything new, a new skincare, and then I use the JLO Beauty. This one is the cleanser and this one is the cream. I use it both, and let me tell you this, they have a smell, and this smell remember me of this perfume, the first perfume of JLO. This one remember me a lot. What do you think about that? Because this smell exactly inside, but it's good, but not like, oh yes, go buy it and everything like that. And they have a smell, if you like strong smell, because yes, for me it's a strong smell, because after when I wash and I put it the cream, I smell like 10 minutes of this perfume and I'm like, oh, okay, well, whatever. But the cream, this one, the cream black blockbuster, this is amazing. I really love the texture and they give it more like a hydration. I really love it. The cream, 2 times up. If you need a cream day, go buy this one. Well, this is my parenthèse for this product because I really want to share with you. It's been like 2 weeks I try it and I love it. The cream, 2 times up, I really love it. And then we're gonna go with my beauty studio for try if the brush is worth it or no. But now let's just unbox it, this beautiful box. Beautiful box, yeah, right, with my knife. So let's go like that. Let's cut it like whoop. Hope not cutting myself like you have to be careful. Let's do this. And this one, I ordered it on Morphe because Sephora, they play like I don't know what the hell, because I once tried to order it and no, and then I try again with the Sephora Canada. I don't know what's going on, and then the day after they put it, but then they sold out. But I think it's sold out on Morphe.ca as well, and on Sephora they have only the eyes. Me, I had the combo because I don't play with that. I love combo and it's more worth it, the price too. And yeah, that's why I'm like, what's good Sephora? Why the application just fucked up? Whatever. By the way, happy Pride Month. Yes, to all my community, I love you so much. Yes. The makeup is gonna be expired about this and you will see after. If you wanna looking like this and this, I'm like, you better watch the video, my beauty station, about this, because yes, girl, they take like a long time, but it's gonna be pretty. So this is what it looks like. Open the packaging, unboxing. Ooh, okay, very nude, like perfect. So let's open like this. I have like difficulty to open like it first. Oh my god, this is what it looks like. Okay. Yes, I'm a huge fan of brushes and this one gave me orgasm, yes. First impression, I like the shape. The little sponge. Oh, the sponge looks so soft. Let's take one. I'm gonna take this one. Oh, I like the shape. The shape is very good. And I like how we can handle the brush. Wow, very soft, that's for sure. They say it's natural and real hair. It's not the same thing of the eyes package, because this one is the face and eyes package, but on the eyes package they have two different brushes. So this is what it looks like with my unboxing of Morphe with Ariel. Now we're gonna go to my beauty station for do the beautiful makeup for this proud month. Are you ready? I'm ready, so let's go! Okay guys, so we are in my beauty station. Yes, I don't have nothing because this is the point. We're gonna try these brushes of Morphe and Ariel. So all the combo, maybe just the eyes and the face, I'm gonna do it later. I don't know how many time it's gonna take it, because you can see a tutorial is gonna take a long time. Let's try to do it the eyes. So I'm gonna sharpen my eyes like always with a tape. I always do that. So now we're gonna do it OsvalDior. That's gonna create my shape. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Kat Von D. This is Signature Brows. This one is the new one for me because I really love it because it's waterproof. They don't transfer nothing. Perfect. Just create the shape of your eyebrows. Always starting to the bottom, and then you're gonna do it the bridge, and then when you do it the bridge, you can just follow up everything. Span. Okay, no eyebrows, Ariel. Okay, I'm just coming. I'm just gonna bring my home eyebrows. Okay, I just bring my home brushing for eyebrows because Ariel, they don't have it. And then I'm gonna use this Kat Von D pot, like you can see. It's the Super Brow 24 hours and walnut. I really love this color. You can see I use it a lot. Not a lot, but every day. I always start it to the end. And then I just do it the inside. The eyebrow is done finally. So now we're gonna do the eyes first. So I'm gonna use the NARS for my base. I really love it. You see, and then so I'm gonna use this brush. I don't know, it's the A19. They have two brushes like on the side, but I don't like this kind of brushes because when I put it on my Vanity Beauty, this one get fucked or this one get fucked. So I prefer like when it's like something like this. I am extra, but it depends when. So now you can see I love the brush, really love it. Then here we go, like this. Excellent. So you can see now my eyebrows are perfect, very good. I really love it. And then you can just brush it like here. I'm gonna use this palette, of course, of Morphe. This is the price, but this year they put it on new one, but I think I prefer this one. I don't know why. The color is so wow, so marvelous. With the product right there, circle in motion. Then have to be kind of similar, but yes, similar is there. Oh, I really love this brush. This brush is amazing. It's the A19. Love it. Very precision. That's what I like it. The brushes is very soft. Yeah, you can see the green. Perfect. We're gonna use the yellow one. Then let's take the orange. Then we have an orange. Yeah, they have a peach. And then we're gonna finish with the red. this is cute. This is really cute, 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 cute. I really love it. When everything is gonna be done, that's gonna be perfect. You will see. You will see. Trust me, the process is there. I really love what I see. So now I'm gonna do with the face. I'm gonna do with the eyes, lashes, and put it some extra and everything like that. And we will come back soon, guys. Don't worry, soon. Go guys, so this one is the final look. I don't know if you love it. I really love it, love it. You see, you can change your look like very quickly, very like 1, 2, 3, rapido, presto, and here we go. I don't know if you like it. I really like it. This combination is everything, and you see my wig changed a lot of my face changed a lot. So this is the final look. Yes, monthly pride for all my community of LGBTQ++++. Of course, this month it's our month, but every month it's our month. By the way, this one is H&M. Okay, so for conclusion, for the brush of Morphe and Ariel, I really love it. Very soft. It's not that heavy. What I like it or no, it depends of the quality, because some brush they are heavy and everything like that, and I use it like not all of them, but I'm gonna use it. But this one I gotta give it a 8 on 10. Something good, not that bad, and not so bad as well. If you have already brushes, well, I don't think you need it, because this is brushing like everything. But if you're looking like collector brushes like me, a huge fan of brushes, you should buy it, or you should just order it right now. The shape is very pretty. I really love the design. It's very like nude, but be careful, you can dirty so quickly with this, because I have a lot of shadow on this, but it's cleaned so well, so don't worry about it. So for the combo, for this one, I pay $137 Canadian, and this one is the face and eyes set. Also, they have the eyes package. It's around, I think, $67. And I said yes if you need brushes. I said no if you don't need brushes. And I said yes if you are a huge fan or collector of brushes. Just go ahead, because this is so pretty. I really love it. This is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. And see you another video, and take care of yourself, guys. Happy monthly pride, guys. Bye, guys. Tú sabes.